Tjena! What you're looking at here is a few guys playing a game called Kubb. It's a very common game in Sweden. Most people can play it, and actually most people can build it. But I don't think many do. But watch this video, and you might be able to. This is my friend Rico. He lets me use his woodshop anytime I want. And he also got his own YouTube channels. His Hardware Garage, where he does all kinds of nice furniture. And he also got another channel where he travels around America, finding cool stuff and restoring them. And I'm helping out filming it. So check it out. Rico gave me this Douglas fir. It's a bit too big for this application. I still wanted the king of this game to be way bigger than the normal size, because I want it to be a chunky piece. Yeah, I know, you're gonna look at it and be like, oh, that's just an easier target to hit because it's bigger. Well, okay, maybe. But I figured I make all the throwing pins also smaller. So maybe it evens out, I don't know. There are measurements online. I'm not gonna provide any because I think it's... No one's gonna sit here and look at the video on how people just write it down, or... Yeah, just do a search online. There are so many measurements. There are official measurements. I'm just doing this with whatever. It's good for longevity for these pieces, because you're gonna treat them like garbage. So I round off the edges like this, because that will make sure that they don't split. I cut off here with a nice little edge, and then I put this stop block here, so I will make every single piece exactly the same size. I think this part might be the only tricky thing about this build, is getting all these angles and having a tool that can actually cut this. I mean, you could use a normal saw, like a hand saw if you want to. It'll just take longer, but you'll get the job done. And I mean, this thing you can go crazy with. I just did a very simple thing here, but yeah, you can experiment with whatever crown design or shape of the head, or you can just make it completely straight too. It doesn't really matter. A kind of modern look, I guess, if you just have no cutouts. Yeah, I know. It's not pretty okay, but it's gonna be destroyed anyway, so... These pieces are kind of worthless for me because I don't have an actual grass lawn. I have AstroTurf, but these are really good to have. If you can jam them down into the ground, you have a perimeter, so you know where to set your chunky pieces. It's like a soccer pitch. You set out these so you know where you actually have your playing ground. Yeah, this could be done in so many nicer ways, but yeah. I'm not gonna go into the details on how the game is played or rules or anything. I'll show some footage of people playing. I invited my American neighbors to try it out. And thanks for watching the video. Maybe you should subscribe.